And next, about evaporation, you need to remember this process now. So let me sketch a diagram first. So you have liquid inside, then you always have particles on top. So this particle will escape. So this process is called evaporation. Then a few keywords. So at first, the heat energy will be absorbed by the particles on top. And then when these particles has enough heat energy, this particle will escape from surrounding.
Okay.
Escape to surrounding, sorry. Escape from surface. Okay, so the reason why is because they always have hotter particles on top, the colder one at the bottom. So the hot one has greater volume, they have lower density, that's why they float. And cold one has smaller volume because they are closely to each other, then they have higher density, that's why they sink. Okay, so in evaporation, it can happen at any temperature, or we will say that there's no fixed temperature, unlike boiling. So it also only on surface. But boiling happens at boiling point only. And it happens at boiling, right, throughout the liquid. Okay, after that, we have pressure law. Sorry, pressure law, no need formula. So pressure law is comparing pressure and temperature when you have a constant volume. So the pressure and temperature, they are directly proportional with constant volume. So the reason behind this is because they have high temperature, then you get more heat energy. So heat energy will convert into kinetic energy. So this will make the particles move faster. When they move faster, they will increase in the number of collisions. So when they collide more, the pressure would increase. Okay. Then about Boyle's law. So Boyle's law is about volume and pressure. So when you have a large volume, and then you squeeze it, make it small. So let's say it's a piston thing. Volume small. Pressure will be low when the volume is large. Then pressure will be high. So this all happens when it has constant temperature. So for this, it has formula like P1, V1 is P2, V2. So because of this relationship, then we know that pressure and volume, they are inversely proportional. Okay, so what is the reason behind this? When the volume is very small, means that the particles are moving in a smaller space. So when the particles are moving in smaller space, it will increase the number of collisions between the particles and the wall of container. So this causes the pressure to increase. Okay.
For I, is it a bit higher up on the right side, like it increases?
Yep.
Is it that the matte black light bulb absorbs the heat energy, and that's why the gas increases on the other side? So that's why the right side increases for the other side.
The pressure on the left side is greater, so they push the liquid lower and the right side higher. Sorry. The next one is change state of matter.
Is latent heat means the energy released or absorbed by the constant temperature process.
Without changing temperature.
Yeah. Um, 2 to 14 minutes.
Correct.
Is it that because heat energy is absorbed by this, the bonds are broken?
Yep.
Oh, okay.
And energy is used to break the bonds.
Yeah. Is it 480,000 for energy supply?
Correct. Mm. Mm.
Is it 200 and
72.7.